All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your online math teacher here with Success. Today we're going through number 2 on SAT math practice questions. This comes from the non-calculator portion. You get 25 questions on the SAT non-calculator portion. And this is from the 2020 version. And this is number 2. We went through number 1 last time. This time I made sure to include my face with a pretty Northern Lights background. So that being said, let's just jump right into number 2. It says the average number of students per classroom Y at the Central High School can be estimated using this equation, where X represents the number of years since 2004. So we know that's what X is. And X is less than or equal to 10. Which of the following statements is best interpretation of the number 0.8636 in the context of this problem? So we know it's right here, right? But let's back up a little bit and recognize what form this is. We know it's Y equals MX plus B, which is also known as your slope-intercept form. We know M is our slope and B is our y-intercept. So we know 27 is our y-intercept, and we know that 0.8636 is our slope, right? So that being said, we simply can find an answer with slope in it, but they're not going to make it that easy on us. What they like to do is the SAT, they want to make sure you know the content. So they tend to, how should I put this? The best way to find the answer is to work backwards a lot of times on the SAT. That being said, we want to use the process of elimination. So we're going to start with what we know isn't the answer and then leave with what we know the answer is. So let's start with A. A says it's the estimated average number of students per classroom in 2004. So if we look in the problem, it says where X represents the number of years. We did not want to erase that. It says X represents the number of years since 2004. So we know that this is not that. The estimated average number of students per classroom in 2014, well, that would be the same as X just 10 years later from 2004. So we know it can't be that. So we're only left with 2 now. The estimated yearly decrease in the average number of students per classroom. So in order for our slope to decrease, the slope would need to be a negative number. But it's not a negative number, it's a positive number. So we know the slope is going to go up no matter what. So close, but no cigar on that one. So by elimination, we know D is the answer because it is the estimated yearly increase because the slope is positive of the average number of students per classroom. And if I take this eraser off, we'll know that it is D. And it gives you a simple, a little more in-depth explanation. I hope it helped a little bit. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and join us again another time. Have a great day.